Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus package and stimulus check update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Marco Rubio said last week that they would be working on the COVID relief bill this week. So we was all hoping again for a little good news. But now Chuck Schumer said that Mitch McConnell said he was in charge of negotiation for the next COVID relief bill. But Mitch McConnell has still not spoken to Speaker Pelosi. He went on to say that there is 14 votes on the floor this week for nominations for a lame duck president, stuff that the president wants to get passed. But nothing at all to do with COVID, the stimulus, or vaccines. So they can work on these 14 items for nominations, but again, the hell with the American people. That's basically what they're saying. There's not even anything on the floor about stimulus. Now, this is how I see it. There has been no action from the Senate in the past. I mean, what has Mitch McConnell done for the American people when it comes to a stimulus package? Well, let's see. He was given a proposal from Nancy Pelosi. And instead of working on it to come up with a compromise that they could both agree on, what does he do? He sits on it and does nothing. Then he has his own skinny bill that was not helping the American people at all. You know, the regular people like you and me, it was helping his Wall Street friends and rich people. It was dead in the water from the get-go. Then he waits and does nothing until he brings his skinny package up again, knowing full well that it would be dead in the water again. So, now why would we be surprised by him doing nothing? After all, he's very good at nothing. Nancy Pelosi will not get anything done because right now it would entail her working with President Trump. And we know both of these babies are pouting with each other. They will not speak to each other. She has blocked help for the American people more times than anyone can count. And now she says she will run for Speaker of the House again, when she knows she will not win. Even the Democrats in the House wants her out, and they want her out now. It's pretty bad when your own people want you out. Y'all, I will have to say one very good thing about Nancy Pelosi, though. In all fairness, I got to say this. That is, if this whole stimulus deal was a Broadway play, she would win an Oscar for Best Actress and Best Supporting Role, and not getting anything done for the American people, and just making it look like she's interested in helping the American people, when in reality, she's just like everyone else in Washington. She's looking out for herself and her own pet projects. Donald Trump said that he will run for president again in 2024. Now, to me, I don't know about you, that sounds like a concession to Joe Biden, because he knows if he won the presidency this time, he would also know that he can't run in 2024. So to me, that sounds like a concession. President Trump's legal team are having trouble finding good evidence to back up voter fraud. When asked by a judge, does he believe voter fraud really happened, President Trump's lawyer had to say no. He was trying to beat around the bush with a drawn-out answer, but the judge said either say yes or no. He said no. So right there, to me, should be the end of this whole voting fraud ordeal. President Trump promised a big stimulus check if he won the election. Okay, so now that he didn't, why won't he still help the American people? On his way out of office, this would be a great thing. He says he don't want to be the one that spends $2 trillion. He wants to put that on Biden. But bottom line is that $2 trillion would be helping the American people, and the American people are the ones that votes. So this would be a good thing for him. But the truth of the matter is, he promised this to the American people if he won the election. But now the truth is, he can't do that. So he just used that to get the vote of the people that did not understand this. And it backfired on him. But I think if he would try to do the right thing now and help the American people with all the power that he has left, and stop all this whining and blaming and finger pointing, this would greatly help his shot at winning the presidency in 2024. But he won't do that on account of ego. But ego is one of the 7 deadly sins, and it's killing any chance that he has of winning next time. Lockdowns. Oregon and New Mexico has already locked down. Now Michigan is locking down for 3 weeks until December the 8th. Washington is locking down for 4 weeks until December the 14th. Who's next? More is coming. More may come today. I don't know yet. More might have already came by the time you see this. Pfizer said last week that they've got a vaccine and it's 90% effective. Moderna has a vaccine now and they say it's 94.5% effective. There is a Russian company that has one that is 92% effective. This is very good. The more vaccines we have around the world, the more people can get this vaccine. And y'all, I know a lot of people says they won't be taking this vaccine. And I can understand at the beginning of it, I can understand them not wanting to take it. They want to wait and see the side effects and if it really works. And I don't blame you if that's your choice. But me personally, I'm going to get it as soon as I can because my compromised immune system. As you know, I had stage 4 throat cancer. I've been cancer free for three years now, but still, my immune system will always be compromised. So I will be taking that vaccine. Y'all, we will get out of this. We will get out of this, and we will be better than we were before. It's just going to take some time. And I know y'all getting tired of hearing that. It's going to take time. We'll have to wait and see, kicking the can down the road. I know y'all getting tired of hearing that. I'm getting tired of saying it. But it's the fact. Y'all, we have to get on our knees every night and pray to God to heal our country, to heal our leaders, to soften their hearts and give them the wisdom and the compassion to do the right thing. We have to pray for the people all around the world that's suffering with COVID, that's suffering with governments, how they're handling it. And for all the people that's already lost everything, all the families that's already lost their loved ones, we have to pray for their comfort. Y'all, we will get out of this. God will see us through this. I know He will. Y'all, I love you all, and we need to quit all of this hating the Republicans, hating the Democrats. We're all Americans at the end of the day. We have to work together. You see on my videos, I don't cut slack for either side because I'm an American. I don't care what party they're affiliated with. Y'all, I love you all. Please pray every day. That's the only way we're going to get out of this. Until the next time, ciao.